Tell me what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. Yes. So which sense organ you used?
Nose.
Very good. Nose helps us to
Smell.
color orange. Now which sense organ you used?
Eyes.
Eye. Tell me what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. How you got to know which sense organ you used?
Skin.
Skin. You can use more sense organ. Which one? Tell me. It is lemon, right? Right. You can smell also. Smell it. Now which sense organ you used?
Nose.
Nose. Nose helps us to.
Smell.
So take this. Tell me what is this? Chocolate. Which sense organ you used?
Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes helps us to.
See.
Very good. Take this. Yes. Tell me what is this?
Jump.
Gems. Is it sweet?
Yes.
Yes. Or is it sweet or bitter?
Sweet.
Sweet. Yes. So which sense organ you used?
Mouth.
No. Inside your mouth something is there. Tell me.
Tongue.
Very good. Tongue. So tongue helps us to.
Taste.
Very good. Section, take this. Yes. Tell me what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. Which sense organ you used? Which sense organ?
Nose.
Nose. Nose helps us to
Smell.
smell. Very good. Take this. Yes. Tell me what is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. So how you understood that it is chocolate? Which sense organ you used?
Skin.
Skin. Very good.
Chocolate.
How you got to know which sense organ you used? Eyes. Eyes helps us to
Eyes.
eyes. Harika, take this. Tell me what is this? Lemon. Yes. Which sense organ you used? Huh? Nose. Very good. So nose helps us to. Nose helps us to. Very good. Smell. खा के बताओ. Tell me what is this? Sugar. So is it sweet or bitter? Sweet. So tell me which sense organ you used? Tongue. Tongue helps us to. Very good. Tell me which sound? Bell. Right. So which sense organ you used? Ear. Yeah. Tell me what is this? Tell me what is this? Sugar. Which sense organ you used? Tongue. What? Clap. Right. So clap. Which sense organ you used? Tell me what is this? Huh? Bottle. So which sense organ you used? Skin. Yes. So is it sweet? Yes. So which sense organ you used? Which sense organ? Teeth is not a sense organ. Inside your mouth something is there? What? Tell me the name. Tongue. Tongue. So tongue helps us to taste. Tell me what is this? Toffee. Yes. So which sense organ you use now? How do you want to know that it is chocolate? Tell me. Very good. Which sense organ? Skin. Tell me what is this? What is this? Yes, onion. Right. So which sense organ you used? Nose. Bell. Right. Now tell me which sense organ you used? Here. Ears. Right. Ears. Very good. Ears helps us to listen. Here. Right. Bottle. Which sense organ you use? How you got to know that it is a bottle? Skin. Right. Skin is a sense organ. Bell. Bell. Right. So which sense organ you used? Eyes. Eyes helps us to. Tell me what is this? Cream. Which sense organ you used? Nose. Nose helps us to. Very good. Tell me what is this? Chocolate. So which sense organ you used? Which sense organ you used? Eyes. Right. Yes. So eyes helps us to see. Very good. What is this? Lemon. Which color? Yellow. So which sense organ you used? Eyes. Very good. Eyes helps us to. What is this? Pencil. Which sense organ you use now? Which sense organ you used? Eyes. You saw the pencil and you told me, no? So eyes helps us to. Eyes helps us to see. Hello? Yellow. Which sense organ you used?
Eyes.
Tell me. Bell sound. Right. Which sense organ you used?
Ears.
Tell me what is this? Pencil. Which sense organ you used? Hand is not a sense organ. Which sense organ? Tell me. Skin. Very good. So skin helps us to feel. Very good. Feel. Pencil. Which sense organ you used? Eyes. Eyes helps us to. Very good. Tell me what is this? Huh? Chalk. Which sense organ you used? Skin. What is this? Now? Clap. Right. Yes. So which sense organ you used? Very good. What is this? Bell. Bell. Which sense organ you used? Tell me which color chalk it is? Blue color. Right. Which sense organ you used? Eyes. Eyes helps us to see. Very good. Tell me what is this? Taste it and tell me. What is this? Sugar. Yes. Which sense organ you used? Which sense organ you used? Loudly. Tongue. What is this? Taste. Organ you used? Skin. Very good. What is this? Eyes. Which sense organ you used now? Eyes. Eyes helps us to see. Eyes helps us to go. What is this? Which sense organ you used? Which sense organ you used? What is this? Onion, right? So which sense organ you used? Nose. Nose helps us to Caesar. Caesar helps us. Which sense organ you used? Eyes, right? Yes, eyes helps us to. Tell me, which color chalk? Blue. So which sense organ you used? Eyes, right? Eyes helps us to. Eyes helps us to. Yes, eyes helps us to see, right? Go.
Yellow.
Yellow. Which sense organ you used?
Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes helps us to.
Eyes.
Eyes helps us to.
See.
Which color? Tell me. Yellow, right? Yes, yellow. So tell me, which sense organ you used? Eyes. Eyes helps us to. Chocolate. Which sense organ you used? Eyes. Eyes helps us to. So which sense organ you used? Eyes to. Eyes helps us to. See. Eyes helps us to. Very good. What's the color? Yellow. Which sense organ you used? Eyes. Orange, right? Which sense organ you used? Eyes. Loudly. Eyes helps us to.